Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most enduring mysteries of our time, UFOs. Are they visitors from other worlds, top secret military craft, or something else entirely? For decades, we've been captivated by grainy photos, shaky videos, and incredible eyewitness accounts. From the famous Roswell incident in 1947 to the recent declassified Pentagon reports, the evidence for unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, is more compelling than ever. Let's start by looking at some of the most famous pieces of evidence. Remember the Phoenix lights in 1997? Thousands of people saw a massive V-shaped object silently glide over Arizona. Or how about the Tic Tac video released by the US Navy? It shows an object performing maneuvers that defy our current understanding of physics and aerodynamics. These aren't just blurry dots in the sky. These are credible sightings reported by trained observers like military pilots and radar operators. So what could these things be? The most exciting theory, of course, is the extraterrestrial hypothesis. This idea suggests that we are being visited by intelligent beings from other planets. The sheer size of the universe makes it statistically probable that life exists elsewhere. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, it seems almost arrogant to think we're alone. If a civilization were just a few thousand years more advanced than us, their technology would seem like magic. They might have mastered interstellar travel, allowing them to traverse the vast distances between stars with ease. The objects we see could be probes, drones, or even manned craft sent here to observe our planet and our development. The non-threatening nature of most encounters could suggest a scientific mission, a galactic version of wildlife observation. But before we jump to conclusions, we need to consider other possibilities. One leading explanation is that many UAPs are advanced, secret human technology. We're talking about next-generation drones, hypersonic aircraft, or experimental propulsion systems developed by governments like the United States, Russia, or China. Think about it. The B-2 stealth bomber was a closely guarded secret for years, and to an uninformed observer, it would have looked completely alien. It's plausible that world powers are testing technology so advanced that it's mistaken for something not of this world. Keeping such projects under wraps would be a top national security priority, which would explain the official secrecy and denial that has surrounded the UFO topic for so long. Then there's the realm of natural phenomena. Some sightings can be explained by rare atmospheric events, like ball lightning, ice crystals reflecting light in unusual ways, or strange cloud formations. For example, lenticular clouds are often mistaken for saucer-shaped spacecraft because of their smooth, lens-like appearance. Meteorological balloons, satellites re-entering the atmosphere, and even swarms of insects caught in radar beams have all been misidentified as UFOs in the past. It's crucial to rule out all these conventional explanations before considering more extraordinary ones. The problem is, for a small but significant percentage of cases, these explanations just don't fit the facts. Let's talk about the patterns. Many UAP reports describe objects with similar characteristics: silent operation, instantaneous acceleration, hypersonic speeds without sonic booms, and transmedium travel, meaning they can move seamlessly between the air and water. These 5 observables, as they're sometimes called, are what make these phenomena so baffling to our current scientific understanding. No known aircraft or natural phenomenon can perform all these feats. This consistency across different sightings, separated by decades and continents, suggests we're dealing with a real tangible phenomenon, not just a collection of unrelated misidentifications. So where does that leave us? For a long time, the subject of UFOs was treated as a joke, confined to the fringes of society, but that's changing. In 2021, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence released a preliminary assessment on UAPs. While it didn't confirm aliens, it did confirm that these objects are real, and they pose a potential flight safety issue and even a national security challenge. The report analyzed 144 incidents, and only one was definitively identified. The rest remain unexplained. This official acknowledgement from the US government has opened the door for more serious scientific and public discussion. Scientists like Avi Loeb from Harvard are now leading projects like the Galileo project to search for extraterrestrial technological signatures in a systematic, scientific way. This shift in attitude is critical. By moving away from stigma and ridicule, we can apply rigorous scientific methods to study this mystery. We can use our best telescopes, satellites, and sensors to gather high-quality data. Instead of relying on anecdotal evidence, we can build a database of reliable, verifiable information. The key is to remain open-minded but also skeptical. We must follow the evidence wherever it leads, whether the answer is extraterrestrial, man-made, or something we haven't even imagined yet. One fascinating theory that bridges the gap between the extraterrestrial and human-made ideas is the concept of a breakaway civilization. This theory suggests that a small, secret group of humans may have developed incredibly advanced technology in secret, far beyond what's publicly known. They might be operating independently from any government, creating these UAPs. While it sounds like science fiction, it's another possibility to consider in this complex puzzle. Another intriguing idea is the ultra-terrestrial or interdimensional hypothesis. This suggests that these phenomena might not be from other planets, but from another dimension, or a parallel reality that coexists with our own. This could explain their strange, physics-defying behavior and their ability to appear and disappear, seemingly at will. It's a mind-bending concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding of reality, but in a field where conventional physics doesn't seem to apply, we have to be willing to explore unconventional ideas. Ultimately, the search for the truth about UFOs is a search for our place in the cosmos. Are we the pinnacle of intelligence in the universe, or are we just one small part of a much larger, more crowded cosmic neighborhood? Either answer is profound. The journey to find out is what drives us. The evidence is mounting, and the conversation is finally being taken seriously at the highest levels. The stigma is fading, and a new era of open inquiry is beginning. We may be on the verge of one of the most significant discoveries in human history. What do you think? Are UFOs alien spacecraft, secret government projects, or something else entirely? Let me know your theories in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'm really curious to hear your perspective on this. The truth is out there, and together we might just be the generation that finds it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of UAPs, please give this video a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel for more explorations of life's biggest mysteries. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.